guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing some new mods for the car. As you all know, I've been having trouble with the Texas Speed headers. The fitment just not to my liking. So had to make something happen, man. Want a different brand. If you guys would like to take a guess, drop down in the comments below what brand you think I got. What you guys think would be the best brand for me. But we're gonna get into it. We're gonna unbox these in a few minutes. Stay tuned, check out the whole video. Like, comment, subscribe, and here we out. Peace. All right, guys, we in the garage. Man, I need to wash this car though, I need to wash this car. Can't wait to take these bad boys off, man. Got the 15-inch conversion kit coming on the way. We're gonna be throwing the wheels on pretty soon. Can't wait for that. Yeah, follow me on IG. Follow your boy on IG, man. I do follow back. Yeah, man. Need to watch this bad boy. Don't look too dirty on camera, but in person it is. But without further ado, we gonna check out these headers, man. And I did go with Cook's long 2-inch headers, 3-inch X pipe. Gonna unbox these, man. See what these bad boys look like. See what these bad boys look like, man. Yeah, man, those look pretty good right there, man. Oh yeah, Cook's, man. Yeah, these are the 2-inch headers, man. Everybody all over the forums and everything say that Cook's or American Racing are the best fitting headers for a C7. So I had to go ahead and get the Cook's, man. And quality is pretty great, man. Good looking headers. And they are brand new. Yeah, they are brand new, man. They looking really good, man. Look really good. So I'm pleased with the look and the finish of them, everything. So hopefully they fit as good as everybody says they do. Let's see, we got this X pipe over here. Check it out. Oh, I can't wait to put those bad boys on, man. I can't wait to put those wheels on. Yeah, man, but we got the X pipe in here. X pipe. Yeah, boy, it looks pretty good. Oh yeah, man. Oh, let's see if we did that in the box. Other piece of the X pipe. We got a lot of stuff here, man. We got clamps here. Right there. Got all my clamps and everything. Let's see what these clamps look like. Clamps look pretty good. Yeah, clamps look pretty good, man. About 6 clamps, man. About 6 of them. There's one piece of this pipe out. The other piece to the X pipe, man. That's where the rubber grommet goes, and that's where it connects into the mufflers. Still on stock mufflers. Thinking about doing Corsa. Mufflers and everything, because I've heard it's a little bit louder, but I'm not too sure how much louder it is. So if you guys gotta have Corsa on your car, and you can give me some insight on how much louder it is than the stock MPP exhaust, man, leave a comment down below, man. And if you have a video, I'll go check it out. And I might be putting some Corsa exhaust on this car, man. But yeah, man, this is gonna be hopefully we'll be installing these right before Texas 2K. That's in a couple of weeks. Yeah, man, because I can't deal with that. The rattling and the rubbing on the frame of the car. I just can't deal with it. So hopefully these bad boy cooks, man, can give me a better fitment. And just give me an overall better experience with the car, man. Because sometimes it makes me not even want to drive the car. You hear the exhaust, or you can feel the exhaust kind of rattling, so it makes you not even want to drive the car, man. But yeah, man, that was my new babies right there, man. Cook's 2-inch long tubes, the 3-inch X pipe. Like I said, hopefully I can get some good insight on the course, and so I might be doing some course extreme or something like that as far as the muffler. You guys see, this is gonna be the new exhaust setup, man. So hopefully it goes well, man. Hopefully this install isn't too hectic or anything. I installed the headers on my first set of headers, the Texas Speed, so it wasn't too hectic. So hopefully we can go ahead and knock these out, get these on, and I can get some clips for you guys. So without further ado, we're gonna end this video. Guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Appreciate you guys for all the support. I'm almost to 500 subs. We on that road to 1,000. So I do really appreciate you guys. And race season's coming up, so I have a whole lot of content for you guys. I'm racing any and everything I can race. Any and everything I can race, man. Bring good content to you guys. So I appreciate you guys. We're gonna catch y'all on the next video. Peace.